Hey there everybody, welcome to my blog. Today I am bringing you some of the toiletries that I am packing for an international trip. I'm going to the Caribbean in about 2 weeks, so I just wanted to pick up some things so I'm not scrambling at the last minute. But first things first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And secondly, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do so we can get in favor of the YouTube algorithm. Secondly, this outfit is just a blouse and the Eddie Bauer pants. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me try to see if y'all can see the pants. Hello, pants. The pants actually have the tonal colors of the shirt. I don't know if you guys can see this, but let me try to bring it down. Yep, so the Eddie Bauer pants with the shirt. And yeah, so that's what I'm wearing today. So let's get into it. And also, none of the items in this video are sponsored. This is just me grabbing my necessities and just trying to help y'all out. So let's get to it. So first thing first is a first aid kit, on the go first aid kit. So it comes with bandages, instruments, tropicals, and medicines, and wound dressing. So you get about 85 items, and then the expiration date is in 2024. So this is something just good to have, especially when you're going to the Caribbean. You just really don't know what might happen, and it's best to be prepared. So that's on my list. I also got some maximum strength sting kill. This I've never used before, but it does mosquito bites, bee stings, insect bites, jellyfish, and I really do need this because I will be surfing, so I'm not sure what's gonna be in the ocean, but it's always nice to know that I have this in case something does happen. The next thing is I just got the Equate version of like emergency. For me, I know that traveling is very stressful, and anytime that you're stressed, your immune system goes down. So just to prevent that, I've got some vitamin C packets. You don't have to get the name brand. It looks like this was already open, but I'm gonna count these up and see if there's actually 30 in here. But the box looks all dented. So I'm gonna just count these later, and hopefully all the items are in here, but we'll see. But I'm gonna take these 2 days prior, and then I'm gonna take them throughout my trip, and then I'll also take them after, just so I can have that boosted immunity. And I'll also be taking my regular vitamins as well, so we'll see. I got some bottles just for things that I might need to put in here. And then I got some Listerine just because I love to have that minty fresh and burn. Along with some Colgate toothbrushes. I like to carry 2 toothbrushes with me when I travel, just in case I drop one on the floor. I don't really like to reuse something that I dropped on the floor, so I like to have an emergency just in case. Along with, I got some Huggy wipes. These are the fragrance-free sensitive skin wipes. It's just nice to have these because you just never know if you'll be in a public restroom that doesn't have tissue, or if you need to like wipe your face, or you know, if you're hiking and you need to like take some sweat off. I also got some Tums. I have a bigger pack that I'm gonna take, but these are really nice because they fit in your pocket. So if you are out and about and you don't want to take that big plastic case with you, you just take these and they fit really nicely. I also have a soap container just because I needed one. And then I also got some Mott's fruit snacks. Fruit snacks have been so expensive, but I saw these were on the deal for, I think they said $2.16, so I just got some fruit snacks because fruit snacks are just, they uplift the mood and they give me energy, especially if you're like hiking or biking or on the trail. The next thing I got was some lens wipes. I'm not taking all of these. I have a couple trips planned, but I'll probably be taking about 25 of these. I'll just throw them in my bag, my backpack, my carry-on. And yeah. I also got some Imodium along with Pepto-Bismol, just because I don't want to be without. And then I also got some motion sickness relief, just because we're going to be on tour buses and we're going to be on bumpy roads, so I just don't know what that's going to be like. So it's just always nice to have Dramamine. Hey everyone, so here's the second part of my toiletries. Some of them were downstairs, so I'm actually filming downstairs to show you what else is in my toiletry bag. So let's start with the shower. So I have my shower soap container. In the US, I do use a bar soap that's antibacterial, and then I also have a body wash. This is just part of my regular shower routine, the Arm & Hammer Essentials body wash, which is vegan, paraben-free, dye-free, and in the Caribbean, you do want to be fresh and clean because I know it's gonna be hot, I know it's gonna be humid, and I know it's gonna be sticky. So I'm actually putting this, I'm not taking this full bottle because I like to pack light. I'm putting this into a travel size container that you've seen earlier. And then a part of my shower routine is my Aveeno Ultra Calming Foaming Cleanser. I know it says makeup remover, but I don't wear makeup, and I love this because it removes the sweat, the oil, the dirt that's on my skin, and I know it's gonna be so hot, and I just need something to remove that sweat so I can keep my face nice and clean and to prevent breakouts from happening. The next thing I'm gonna move into is my hand soap. I know, okay, it's in this bag, but I don't want to unwrap this because I don't want this to burst in my bag. So I have like this in a plastic baggie. This is an antibacterial hand soap. I do like to use hand soap in the bathroom, and if I'm sharing a bathroom, anyone is more than welcome to hand soap. I'm not petty with soap, and even if we were sharing a kitchen, I would have dish soap, but it's just a bathroom, so I'm only bringing hand soap. But if I knew there's a kitchen, I would bring a dish soap too. But I'm not packing a water bottle either. My plan is to just use the plastic bottles, and then that's my plan. Moving onward, Lysol. I have the 2-in-1 Lysol Disinfect Odor Spray and also the Eliminate Odor Spray as well. This is a 2-in-1, so it kills 99% of bacteria and viruses. And like I said, use as directed, but when you are in a shared space, it's just nice to go in there, wipe it down with a disinfectant wipe, and then go in with the spray and let the spray do its work. So I like to hit the shower head, I like to hit the curtain, I like to hit the toilet with the spray, and then I like to wash my hands and then do my headboard, my sheets, my pillows, whatever I'm gonna be sleeping in that night. I just like to spray it down because you don't know what was there, who was there, what they were doing. It's just nice to have a spray. And then also too, if you are sharing a room or you have roommates, sometimes people stank in the bathroom. So having the spray is good because it does eliminate odors. So you just don't know what you're walking into or what's gonna be there. Okay, moving onward to bathroom stuff. I do have my wipes. I was thinking about buying 2 packs, so that'd be 32 wipes, but I'm only there for 9 days. So I'm also packing toilet paper because as a female, I like to have my wipes because I like to keep it fresh and clean down there, and I also like to be just clean. Like regardless of your gender identity, I believe everyone should just be clean down there because it ain't cute having skid marks. So I got my Huggies, and this is also fragrance-free, natural care sensitive wipes. So, and you can use these on your face. I use these like literally in my whole body sometimes. But I also have body wipes. So these are, I call these camping wipes. These are combat wipes. So they're great for camping. They're biodegradable, and there's 25 outdoor hygiene wipes for women. This is nice because when it's hot, when it's sticky, you just want a wipe. And sometimes you don't have access to a shower. I really don't know what I'm going into because this is my first trip with EF. But sometimes, you know, your accommodations, you don't want to take a shower because one, the shower is scary, or sometimes you may not have access to a shower. So having these wipes, especially on the go, is so nice. So I'm packing these because I don't know what I'm getting into, even though I did book the ultimate trip. So that is the tea. Okay, so moving on, I have my toothpaste. This is actually going into my backpack that will be following me on the airplane. Like this is my carry-on, is my backpack, and my toothbrush and toothpaste will be in my carry-on. I also have my camp soap wipes. These are so nice because with COVID-19, even though we're supposed to be hand washing and washing our hands and scrubbing, sometimes people don't have soap. And I've noticed, like, anytime I go south of the border, sometimes there's no soap. And I'm like, how are y'all washing your hands? So I like to have my own little soap with me. So I'll be carrying this in my purse, and my purse will be going everywhere that I go. So in case there is no soap, I'll have it. And in case there is no toilet paper, I'll also have that in my purse too. And then to keep it fresh and clean, I also do have two natives with me. I have the Ocean Timber, and I also have Sugar Cookie. Just sometimes, you know, it's just nice to switch it up and to stay fresh and clean, especially when you're in the tropics. You just want that fresh and clean smell. My next thing that I'm taking is my acetaminophen. I've also taken Tylenol, but this is going in my check bag, and then the Tylenol is in my purse. So y'all not seeing it, but this is nice too, just in case you have aches or pain or fever. Just having these is nice to have. So now going into my other liquids. So this is my Neutrogena tested trial and true. I love Neutrogena. Neutrogena is so nice. It doesn't leave my skin boiled or baked or crusty after being in the sun. And I say this because I have sensitive skin. This is fragrance free. This is SPF 55 and sheer touch, dry touch. I don't feel greasy. I don't feel sticky. I feel normal when I use this. And this is important, especially when you're going to a sticky place. I know it's gonna be hot. I know it's gonna be humid. And you don't want an extra layer of humidity on your skin. So having that dry touch is a perfect addition to your tropical vacation. And then moving on, I do have my bug insect repellent. My doctor recommended 10% picadirine, but this one has 20%, so just a higher percentage is fine with me. This repels the mosquitoes and the ticks and the flying insects for up to 14 hours, but like I said, use as directed. And then I have this plastic, I put the plastic on and then screw the top on because I do not want this to burst in my checked bag. And like I said, use this as directed because this is really strong. I'm not taking any off because I don't believe in heat. I try to be as natural as possible, and I also try to be effective as possible, especially when you're going to a tropical place. You have malaria, you have Zika, you have all this other extra stuff. So you just want to protect yourself, and your repellent is either a first line or second line of defense. So this will be very helpful in the tropics. And then last but not least, I am taking my EpiPen. So my EpiPen is going with me, and it's going to go alongside in my backpack. So this is my backpack file. So this side is my backpack, but this is going in my backpack because EpiPen is part of my toiletries. I make sure I have it wherever I go. And you just don't know if people know your allergies, so it's just good to have your own bag. So that is an overview of all my toiletries, all of the products that I'm taking. If I'm forgetting anything or if you have recommendations, please let me know. This is my first EF trip and I'm so excited, but at the same time, I've tried not to overpack, but I do know I am a whole female. I'm a whole woman. So I need to have the things so I can be as presentable as possible, representing myself, my family, and just being comfortable in an unknown place. So let me know if I'm forgetting anything and your recommendations, and I will see you soon. Toodles, bye.